Good morning. My name is Hilton Pine. I'm from Zimbabwe. About 8 years back, I had a bad motorcycle accident which resulted in trauma to the one right hip of mine. Over the years, both hips have since failed, and this resulted in me having to come to India for a total hip replacement on both sides. Upon arrival at the airport, we were greeted by two gentlemen. They had a wheelchair for myself. They had a wheelchair for my mother. They did not have to have one, but they did. We were ushered through the customs process very swiftly. There was no delays, there was no hiccups. They filled the forms for us. We did not have to do anything. We jumped in a taxi, an Aircon taxi, which was provided by the hospital. We got to the hospital. We had to wait for the doctor. I was then booked into the hospital. A room was found for me. And then the following day, Saturday, I was prepared for surgery, and I went in for the surgery. When the surgery was over, I was put into the ICU unit. I was looked after very well there. There was no problem with the service. The doctor that performed the surgery explained to me that because I had a slight problem with my heart, they'd have to give me an epidural. I did not feel anything through the operation. Everything went smoothly. I spent one day in the ICU unit, and I was released into another room in the hospital.